Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move Figma styles and components from one file to another. This is incredibly useful when you're working across multiple projects and want to maintain consistency in your design system without recreating everything from scratch. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, open your Figma application on your computer. Once you've got Figma up and running, you'll need to open the file that contains the styles and components you want to move. This could be a design file where you've already created a bunch of reusable elements, buttons, color palettes, or text styles that you want to transfer to another project. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a panel that displays various layers and elements within your file. Click on the components you want to move. Components are those reusable design elements that make your workflow so much more efficient, whether they're buttons, icons, or entire card layouts. Select the specific components you need to transfer by clicking on them in this left panel. Once you've selected your components, here's where the magic happens. Press Ctrl X on your keyboard. This cuts the components from the current file, essentially removing them temporarily so you can paste them elsewhere. Think of it as picking up those design elements and getting ready to carry them over to a new home. Next, navigate to the other Figma file where you want these components to live. This could be a brand new project file or an existing one that needs these design elements. Once you've opened that destination file, simply press Ctrl V on your keyboard. This pastes the components you just cut into this new location. The components will appear in your new file, complete with all their properties and settings intact. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Figma styles and components from one file to another. This method ensures your design elements stay consistent across different projects and saves you the hassle of rebuilding everything from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.